This video tutorial I will cover at methods of year class. Here I have defined the class year demo 1. I am running this program in debug mode. Here I have created year object. Then I am calling addDay method of year object and passing day of year as 300. This method returns local date object based on this day of year. Then I am calling @month method of year object and passing 2. This method will return year month object. Here I have defined the class year demo 2. I am running this program in debug mode. Here I have created year object. Here I have created month day object. Then I am calling @month day method of year object and passing month day. This method will return local date object. Here I have defined the class year demo 3. I am running this program in debug mode. Here I have created year object. Then I am calling @month method of year object and passing month as January. This method will return year month based on this year and this month.